Pwede bang maligo after mo mag-workout? Warm or cold water? Pag-usapan natin to. Kapag tayo ay nag-exercise, tumataas ang ating body temperature at heart rate. According to American College of Sports Medicine, okay lang ang maligo. Pero siguraduhin na maghintay muna for about 5 to 10 minutes upang mag-cool down ang katawan at bumalik sa normal ang iyong heart rate at ang iyong breathing. Ayon din sa pag-aaral, ang pagligo with warm water helps with blood circulation. At nakakatulong din ito to relax the tensed muscles. Ang warm bathing can promote muscle recovery through vasodilation o yung pagbuka ng mga ugat. However, kung intense ang workout like HIIT or intense weightlifting, ang cold shower can reduce muscle inflammation and soreness. One research found that cold water immersion can decrease muscle soreness up to 48 hours after exercise. So ano po mas better, Doc? Depende sa iyong activities at sa iyong goal. If you want to relax, warm shower. At kung gusto mo namang mabawasan ng iyong muscle soreness, cold shower. Either way, it is safe to take a bath after workout. Siguraduhin lang that you give your body a few minutes to cool down. Okay? Mag-ingat po kayo parate!